Now, Congo hopes that it will submit evidence at this court and ask the court to order Rwanda to stop its interference in its internal affairs.
Ceci est important à cause du nombre de morts qu'il y a déjà eu, de déplacés internes, et ces atrocités continuent jusqu'aujourd'hui. La République démocratique du Congo veut obtenir que ceux qui commettent ces actes soient condamnés, que les victimes soient indemnisées, que ceci cesse.
When you look at the wordings of the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, it is very clear that countries signed to this and ratified the treaties in order to deal with obligations within its own territory. Now Rwanda is being accused of breach in another territory, so that's territorial jurisdiction.
It also accuses Congo of wasting time and resources that it could have used to solve its internal affairs politically through dialogue.
Avec ceux-là que nous considérons comme des ennemis.